Claudebot Moltbot is trending, and almost nobody can clearly explain what it is. That's not just funny, it's a perfect stress test for how we get persuaded by AI talk online. Right now AI moves at scroll speed. A weird phrase can spike overnight, get repeated by big accounts, and suddenly you feel behind if you don't get it. But here's the problem: when a trend has no clear source, people fill the gaps with assumptions about what's real, what's risky, and what's worth paying attention to. That's how confusion turns into hype, or fear, or wasted time. There's a great idea from grant writing that applies here. Persuasion isn't just dumping information. It's giving people reasons to change their mind. The excerpt boils it down to 3 levers: reframe the risk, anchor in evidence, and appeal to values. And if you use those 3 levers on Claudebot Moltbot, you get a simple playbook for handling any AI trend, especially the ones that arrive with zero context. A claim: when a new AI term pops up, the first persuasive move is to shift the conversation from "is this scary or amazing" to "what's the real risk either way?"
Imagine you're a teacher.
Someone posts, "Have you seen Claudebot Moltbot? We need this now." Most people respond in one of 2 ways. Panic buy mode: if we don't adopt it, we'll fall behind. Eye roll mode: sounds fake. Ignore it. Reframing risk means asking, what's the cost if we adopt something unclear? And also, what's the cost if we ignore a real shift? Concretely, adopting a tool or even just repeating its name can create reputational risk, security risk, or decision risk. But ignoring every trend can also mean missing a legitimate workflow improvement. Risk isn't AI is dangerous, risk is acting without clarity. A claim, evidence, is what turns a vague AI claim into something you can evaluate. Without it, you're not learning, you're just amplifying. Here's the issue with our trending topic: the provided context gives us no verified details about what Claudebot Moltbot actually is. So the honest position isn't it's revolutionary or it's a scam. The honest position is unknown. Picture a creator making a quick video: Claudebot Moltbot will replace your job. It gets views because it triggers emotion. Then a second creator reacts, and a third summarizes the reaction. Soon the idea of the thing is everywhere, while the thing itself remains undefined. Anchoring in evidence means doing 3 quick checks before you share or act. Source check: is there an official page, paper, repo, or clear announcement? Demonstration check: can you see it work end-to-end, not just screenshots? Independent confirmation: are credible, unrelated people describing the same capabilities? If you can't answer those, treat it like a rumor, not a product. No demo, no docs, no confirmation. Don't build beliefs on it. A claim: people don't share AI trends mainly because they're proven. They share them because the trend presses a value button: status, fear, curiosity, productivity, belonging. That's why persuasive messaging works even when details are missing. You're early, you're falling behind, this will change everything. Those aren't facts, they're value hooks. So flip it. Choose your values first, then decide what to do with the trend. If your value is accuracy, your move is to ask for receipts and wait. If your value is speed, your move is to run a tiny, safe test, but label it clearly as experimental. If your value is trust, your move is to avoid repeating names you can't define, especially in professional settings. Let values guide your response, not the algorithm. Claudebot Moltbot might be something real, or it might be pure internet static, but your response can still be smart. Reframe risk, demand evidence, and act from your values. If you want, drop the weirdest AI term you've seen lately, and we'll run it through